Hey everyone, so this is my snack haul. So yeah, let's start it. First I have this Nova. It's color green. Its flavor is summer salad. So yeah. And then I've got this Mondes Special Manon, and it's classic. And when you squish it out, it's like very squishy. I try it all the time. Then I have some marshmallows, mini marshmallows, and 2 packs of those. Then I have some cream sticks. These are what we use on the how to make edible squishy bun. So yeah, here I've got white and chocolate. Actually this is vanilla. So wait, I'm gonna be doing some cooking here. I will make a video on this stuff that I bought. And I think I can make a face right here in the moment, like like the face of a squishy bun. So yeah, that's my snack combo, guys. Bye.